What if I told you that the wisest investment you could ever make is one that the stock market can never touch? It sounds like a radical idea, doesn't it? Yet, that's the foundational truth at the heart of The Resilient Investor, A Plan for Your Life, Not Just Your Money, by Hal Brill, Michael Kramer, and Christopher Peck. Let's embark on a journey, not just to dissect this insightful book, but to reshape the way we see the world, the future, and the very concept of investment. This isn't just a summary, it's an exploration of a philosophy that could change your life. In a world brimming with uncertainties, from market crashes to global pandemics, how can we safeguard our future? The common answer is money, right? Invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and you're golden. But Brill, Kramer, and Peck challenge this narrow perspective by presenting a holistic approach to investment. Their vision is comprehensive, incorporating not just our finances, but our personal growth, community engagement, and the tangible assets we often overlook. The story begins with the authors painting a picture of modern life, where the pursuit of financial wealth has overshadowed all other forms of prosperity. They ask us to imagine a life where financial assets are just one piece of the puzzle. What if your health, relationships, community, and the skills you cultivate are just as crucial as your 401k? They introduce us to the concept of a personal resilience plan, a strategic blueprint for a life that thrives on adaptability and balance. The plan consists of 3 broad investment categories that, when combined, contribute to a robust and fulfilling life. First, we talk about personal assets. This isn't about your bank account balance. It's about you as the most valuable asset. Your health, skills, relationships, and community are the cornerstones of this category. The authors encourage us to invest in ourselves, our well-being, learning new skills, nurturing relationships, and becoming active members of our communities. These investments lead to personal growth that isn't subject to the ups and downs of the market. Imagine someone who spends their life climbing the corporate ladder, investing every penny into stocks and bonds, but neglects their health and personal connections. The book poses the question, what's the point of financial success if you're left with a poor quality of life? Next, we dive into tangible assets. These are the investments you can touch and feel: your home, the land, your heirloom watch, or even that vintage car in your garage. They have inherent value and aren't as susceptible to market whims. The authors don't just mean buying gold bars and stashing them under your bed. They're talking about sustainable living, like investing in renewable energy or growing your own food. It's about creating a life that can withstand shocks, whether economic downturns or natural disasters. Picture a community that invests in a communal garden. It not only provides food security, but also strengthens community bonds. The resilience here is in the tangible yield and the intangible social fabric that it weaves. Finally, the traditional, financial assets. The book doesn't dismiss the importance of financial investments. It places them within a broader context. Diversification is key, but so is aligning your investments with your values. It's not just about what's expected to perform well, but what should perform well by contributing positively to society and the environment. The narrative then shifts to the concept of readiness for both expected and unexpected future scenarios. The authors argue that being resilient means being prepared for a range of possible futures, not just the one you predict or hope for. This adaptability is what they believe separates those who merely survive from those who thrive. What does this look like in practice? Let's say there's a tech professional who's financially savvy, with a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and real estate. But what happens if there's a sudden industry disruption or a health crisis? The book suggests that if they've invested in learning new skills, in building a supportive network, and in their physical well-being, they're more likely to navigate through tough times successfully. But how do you achieve this balance? The resilient investor provides actionable strategies. It's not just about being a jack of all trades, but mastering the art of resource allocation. It's about recognizing the fluidity of assets and investing in them accordingly. The book concludes by reinforcing the idea that resilience is more than a buzzword. It's a lifestyle. It's about making choices that prepare you for the best and worst of times. It's about creating a life where you're not just secure financially, but also rich in health, relationships, skills, and community. So, as we step back and look at the big picture that the resilient investor has painted for us, it becomes clear that investing isn't just about money. It's about channeling our resources into what truly matters, into what makes us resilient in the face of life's unpredictabilities. The authors have not just written a book, they've crafted a manifesto for a more balanced, secure, and fulfilling life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel for more.